This is the final in a series of how to run Flutter on a Raspberry Pi. First thing we're going to do is find the project. I called it Flutter Application 2. Make it easy to find because you're using command line. Once you get into the root directory, use flutter clean. That will get rid of the previous build. Then you need to run flutter pub get. Flutter clean and flutter pub get used quite frequently to clean up previous builds and get things all ready to go. Now everything's got to be done from the command line. Do not do it from VS Code. It will not run. There's not enough RAM. Okay, so you see how I've typed that in. I'll put it in the description, but type it in exactly like that. Now this is going to take somewhere, depends on how much RAM you have. It's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to jump out and come back in as we get near to completion. And we're getting close to this wrapping up. It sits here at this Ninja for quite a while, but you can see it's finishing up. If there's any questions you have, just comment me through YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But you got to watch the first 2 videos before you get to this stage. Now we've successfully built. And again, everything's got to be done command line. I've tried this in VS Code and it will not run. I'm going back into the directory and I called my project Flutter Application 2. Now, Flutter run -- release. You have to have the release, and then the -v gives you the log so you can see what's going on. This will take a while, probably a couple of minutes. So I'll jump back in when we get closer to the end. It builds coming to an end, and now it's going to run it on the Linux. It's a simple demo app, and it has a counter. So down at the bottom has an action button. So stay tuned. I've got some more. I'm going to run on the Raspberry Pi. Please subscribe, hit the alert. And if you have any questions, just send it to me through YouTube.